So let's edit on iMovie. Yeah, jump right into it. Share you the screen. Oh, it's already there. But anyway, go out of it. So I show you the whole process. Save it. So create a new project, movie. Then you basically import your media. You put this video there. And I want some pictures, of course, for the beginning and the end. So again, I click on import, this button here up there. So my picture is on my desktop. And okay, I have all what I need. So I drag them down, drag and drop, very simple. Yeah, put it in the end. Yeah. So with this scale, again, you can play with how detailed you want every minute to be, like how many frames. So you can then basically trimming is you go to the video, like literally, and then you can just trim the ends, like just move it like this. Very simple. Then you go to the other end and you know how much you don't want to be appear, and then you just move it. And then if you want to be more detail in it, like exact part of a second, then you can play with the scale, and then you have it more detailed. That's it. Yeah, so it's very simple. And then if you want to put some transitions, then you can just click and then basically go to edit, and then in the movie, edit, and then no, I don't know. Okay, but here transitions also there. Here you can make a transition that you want, and basically select in movie, and then you put transition, and then basically it should be there now. Let's see. Click play. Is it there? Yeah, it's there. So you saw it. You can play with other transitions. It's quite simple. Just see which one you like. You can put it also in the end. I'm not gonna do much more because I think it's clear. Actually, there is also transition here. It doesn't matter. And when you're ready, basically you go to share, this button here, share. You click it. Now this video is in the way, and then you can upload directly to YouTube. You can go to file, and then or Facebook, or you can just go to file, and then it asks you some questions. If you don't know about it, just click next, and then save, basically. And here you go. You have your video. That's it. Very simple. Of course, there are more options, some more things in iMovie than Movie Maker actually, but I'm not going to go into it now. So that's it, people. Edit your video with the simplest way possible. Trust me, this is the best. Actually, if you don't need to edit, even better. Bye.